Hello everyone, welcome back to Art with Teacher Eddie. Today we'll make a very easy clay bird. Let's start. Step 1. Make a small oval shape. Step 2. Then roll it with a little pressure with your two fingers. One is index finger, another one is ring finger. Step 3. Press to make head and body. Do it properly. Step 4. Pinch to make beak. Step 5. Make tail with your pencil. Just draw some lines by pencil. Step 6. Now you can make the eyes. It's very easy, just you use your pencil tip. Step 7. Now you can make wings. Add 2 wings on both sides. Our easy clay bird is ready. Subscribe for more easy art.